Feet during that time, from 6,200 feet down here at the base to 8,200 feet up at high camp. Our cruising speed is just under 12 miles an hour, and the total distance traveled a little more than 1.25 miles. 6 individual peaks do make up all of Squaw Valley. Most famous by far of all are 6 peaks. To the left of the cabin right now, it's called KT-22. The name of the events for the 1960 Winter Olympic Games, the 8th Winter Games. Virtually all the downhill alpine events were staged on KT-22. The rock surface we're approaching is called Tramway. Great opportunity to get up close views of the unique rock structures that can be found right here in Squaw Valley.
Just to make sure if they don't count, it is not fixed to decide which way they go. Okay.
Okay, come here for a second. So much
Because, of course, it really doesn't matter which way it doesn't count. I basically choose which bed.
And ladies and gentlemen, we will have a slight cabin sway after passing Tower 1. Those poles and straps from the ceiling for your safety and convenience. And a reminder of the tram schedule. We'll be going on a 15-minute schedule through most of the day. That's on the hour, quarter after, half hour, quarter of. There are 2 tram cars, top and bottom, leaving every 15 minutes from those locations. Later today, the last upload from the village will be at 3:30, and the last tram down from High Camp will be at 4:30 today. Be aware that all the lifts will close promptly at 4 o'clock. To the rear right of the cabin, that is Lake Tahoe, just coming into view. Beautiful blue triangle in between the peaks.
거기서 이렇게 내려가 저기서
And the cabin will slow down as we approach the High Camp station.
이럴 때 저 타워 보인다. 타워 저기 타워.